Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's vlog. How's it going? So, it hasn't turned 12 yet and I've already painted my toes. Okay, and I'm about to start editing yesterday's vlog. So I think I'm doing pretty good today. So yeah, pretty proud. So today what we have in store is shopping. Stores. Oh my god, I'm hilarious. Okay. So we're going to Walmart and Maurice's that I know for sure. Might stop by somewhere else. I don't know. But Walmart and Maurice's for sure. And then when we get back, I'm going to start packing. Since tomorrow is Sunday, which is Father's Day, I'm not going to have a whole lot of time to pack. And I'm also going to help Tanner pack. And I just don't want to rush myself and be mad because I wasn't ready, you know? So I'll probably get a start on packing today. But yes. So, like I said, I'm gonna start editing. But I also wanted to mention this new facial cleanser. So, if you watched my skincare video a couple videos ago, I mentioned a cleanser that I really liked. It was good for getting rid of acne. And I still stand by that. I still like it. But my mom has a FabFitFun box subscription. And on her desk she has a few products from that she hasn't used yet. And I saw this purifying face cleanser. This is the brand Tula. Haven't heard of it before. But I tried it out. And I've used it like 2 or 3 times. And I really like it. It really leaves my skin like nice. Like I do have moisturizer on and stuff right now. And I haven't washed my face this morning. But like before I put on anything over my bare face that I just washed, I did notice that it was really soft. So I really like that, and I think I'm gonna start using it more. So I guess I'm gonna use both of those. For now I'm using the Tula one, but I'll probably switch back and forth occasionally. But yeah, I just want you to mention that because I really like it, and it's just random. So yes, alright, I'm gonna edit yesterday's vlog now, and then after that I'll start getting ready for our shopping day. Hey guys, so I've been trying to upload my video yesterday's vlog, but sometimes it just happens to where it's like I don't want to upload your video, so then it just like stays at the same percentage forever, and it's really annoying. So I just am re-uploading it right now, so I have to rewrite my description and stuff like that and re-put my thumbnail, but I think it's working better now because the percentage is going up and not staying at 61% the whole time. That's good. Also, so we had these 2 t-shirts and I didn't want them anymore. My mom gave them to me and then I didn't want them, and then she's like, do you want to cut these into tank tops? So then I was like, no. And then I was like, wait, I just kind of want to experiment with cutting shirts. So I did this. And got a little fringe going on at the bottom here. And then I cut off the sleeves. And it looks a little weird because the sleeves, it's like really open. But I think the fringe is cute. So I'm just going to kind of experiment with wearing this. But for now, I kind of like it. So, yes, and then I have another one, but I'm going to try to do something else on that, but I don't really know what yet, but we'll see. So, after I get this finished uploading and stuff, I'm going to jump into the shower, and then I'll see if I do my makeup or not. Depends on what I feel like. Okay, so new video is up. It's called Target Fail, because Target really did fail me. So yeah. Okay, so I'm about to jump into the shower and let's hit it. Hey guys, it's Future Mackenzie here. So in this video I go over time and I go close to 17 minutes and I can't go past 15. So I was trying to cut around some things, but I still like 7 or like 10 seconds over, but there was literally nothing I could find to cut it, and I cut out something that like actually made sense to stay in the vlog, and the clips between this last clip that you just saw and the clip that you're about to see weren't really super important. So I gave back the other clip and I deleted those two. So if you're wondering, it's kind of weird that I didn't vlog between me getting in the shower and then now in the car. That's why I literally, the only thing I said was just me talking about I did my makeup and then I tried a few new products, but it was nothing important. So that is why I did that. Now on to the next clip. Hey guys, so I'm in the car with my mom.
What's up, peeps?
And we just got our drinks. A sweet tea with a blackberry. Pretty good. And then we're about to go shopping. Hey guys, so we are back from Walmart and I'm going to show you guys what we got. So I got some no-show socks because I don't know where my other white ones went, but they were this kind, but these are bigger because they say 8 to 12 and so they fit so much better. They're literally perfect. So I had to get some more of those. And then I got some more makeup remover wipes. I got this beach ball because it was just like 97 cents. Why not? And then for swimsuit, I only found one because I tried on, they only had one like cute one and the rest were just kind of like black or black and white stripes or black and white floral, and it was like, okay, and they were all like the same structure. So I tried on a black one and I was like, this is perfect. I can get like cute little different colored bottoms to go with it. But then it had a huge hole in the chest and like it wasn't cute. It didn't look good. It was like whoever designed this was wrong, okay? So that didn't work out. So then my mom said she had a black tankini that I could wear at home. So I tried it on. That was too small. I was like, why do you have this? And then I was like, oh my god, I can try on hers and see how it looks. So I have on hers and I actually really like it. I need it in a smaller size because it's too big, but it's so flowy and cute. I think it flows in the back too. And then I also got these bottoms. They're just like another like little floral print going on, and those are cute too. So I'm gonna keep these. I also got this like little cheetah print thing, but I don't like the sides of it because it's just like one little strap and like it's not cute on me and you can't even see it. So I'm gonna return those, not exchanges. I'm also gonna get this in a smaller size and then I will be set because I think these are that I have on right now, the bottoms are the right size. So now I'm not sad anymore, so that's great. Also got some clothes from Maurice's, so I will show you guys those next. But also from Walmart, we have this tub that we got from Target, and this is like our little like first aid kit along with like sunscreen and stuff. So yeah, we just have a bunch of like medicine and like anti-itch cream, Vaseline, earplugs, redness reliever eye drops, alcohol prep pads, and we're also going to put band-aids and like Tums and ibuprofen in here. We have after sun gel, tanning oil, tanning gel. We got everything, so it's like perfect. That's why the bucket's so big. Yeah, so I really love this top. I'm so glad that I was like, you know what, let me try on my mom's. Perfect. Hey guys, so we just watched a movie with Kevin Hart and I don't remember what it's called, but I'll try to look it up. And it was so good. But I wanted to do like my little Maurice's haul. So starting off with these, I got Bermuda shorts. Now I swore I would never get these. I was like, these are the worst things ever, like they're so ugly and stuff. But then like tried them on and like they weren't that bad. Also, mine aren't as long as some of them that I've seen. So if you know what Bermuda shorts are, you know what I'm saying. But they're basically just like long shorts that don't even have a roll. But I think these are kind of cute. So I got them. Yeah. So I got this shirt right here. I really like the buttons. And it's just all of the things I got were tank tops. So there's that. I got this at the lake, getting tipsy tank top because I thought it was cute. Me and my mom got matching of these. And we also got matching of these. It says beach please. So you can use your imagination to spell this out differently. And then I got this shirt, which is the same as this blue striped tank top that I have right there. Except whoever like was trying it on before me like really like loosen these, so whenever I have it on it really just like falls down, so I need to retighten those. But I love that style of the shirt, so I was like, wow, I found another one. And then this tank top, these like arm and tank, this sleeve thing going on right here, it's pretty cool. And there's just a flag, and yes, so that's all the stuff that I got from Maurice's. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys. So I didn't pack yet since we watched a movie. So I'm going to start that now, starting with like my jewelry, just getting all that situated. And yeah. Hey guys, update time. So I looked up the movie that we watched, and it's called The Upside, and it was really good, okay? Wasn't like a typical movie I would think Kevin Hart would do, so I was just kind of confused whenever we first started it, but it was so good, so I really recommend. But I have updated my packing, so here's how it's going to go down. So my clothes are going to go here. I have some more clothes that are in the wash, so they're going to go right there, and then those 2 packing cubes are going to fill in that space as well. And then over here, my shoes, my mom's shoes are going to go in here too, and then my toiletry bag is going to go right there. And then on those pink sticky notes, those are all the clothes that are in the wash or not in my room that I need to make sure I get before, like, just to remember those are the things that I need, because I don't want to forget anything. So I just have those lined up, and then I have my jewelry in their little baggies. I haven't put them in my suitcase yet because I might get into them, 1 or 2 of those for tomorrow's outfit, like jewelry wise. And yes, but I do have them in their baggies. And then over here I have my shorts, because I just ordered me shorts and they're in the wrong size, so she ordered the other ones in the right size, and they arrived today actually, so I'll get those tomorrow, and then I'll give her those back to return. And yes, so I do probably need to go to sleep because I have to leave the house at 10, and I still need to like get ready and stuff in the morning. So it's 11:06 currently, and I haven't been going to bed very well the past couple nights, which is why I normally wake up late. Minus today, but today I was awoken, so that's why I woke up earlier than my usual this week. So yes, I'm going to start to get ready for bed and clear up my room so I can actually like walk and sleep, and I will be back to you in the vlog. Oh my goodness, funny story. I've been laying in bed for like legit like 30 minutes or more, like full on like ready to go to sleep. Like I wasn't tired yet, but like I was in bed, like to stay in bed. I was like, why does my face like feel like this? Like it doesn't feel like it's moisturizing stuff. And I was like, oh my god, I didn't moisturize and stuff. I was like, I didn't do anything. Like I washed my face and went to bed, and I was like, I didn't even end the freaking vlog. Because I was thinking like that would be so funny to vlog this. And I was like, wait, I didn't even end the vlog. And I was like, okay, well then. So, I'm going to go put moisturizer on my face and do like my little skincare thing. Before I went in bed, I made myself a water, and I legit drink it all. So, can't even drink any of it. But now my camera battery's flashing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good night.